This is Domino's. Do you guys like pizza? How about free pizza? Awesome. Well, I'm going to tell you how you can get free pizza and help out your school. Sound good? Fabulous. Follow me, Professor. I'll show you how we can help you get more pizza. Look at all those pizzas. Don't you just want to scarf them down? I have a way for everyone to get delicious pizza for free. You're probably thinking, what's that all about? Well, it's the Slice the Price card. That's right, the Slice the Price card. With this card, every time you purchase a large pizza at Domino's, you're going to get another large pizza for free. However, you can use it over and over and over again until it expires. And it even works for parties. Say you have your friends over and you buy 10 large pizzas. You'll get 10 more large pizzas for free. All right, guys, this is how it works. You're going to go home today rocking the Domino's order form in your bag. This thing is golden. When you get home, you need to find an adult to help you out. Together, you're going to share your order form with family members, friends, neighbors, their co-workers, basically anyone who loves pizza. Pizza Professor, you want to know how you're going to get more pizza?
If you sell 15 of these cards, you'll get your very own card for free! While you're selling cards, you can win gift cards to places you already know and love, like Target, Amazon, Starbucks, or even Domino's. You might be top seller in your school and get one. Or you might be one of the top sellers in the whole country and win one that way instead. If your whole group is one of the best in the country, your school could get hundreds of dollars extra to spend on things everyone can enjoy. How awesome is that?
You want to know how we're going to help the teachers? That's easy. Tell them how it's done, big boys.
Teachers, if you have 5 students in your class who sell just 1 card each, you'll get your very own card for free. So be sure to remind your students every day to get out there and spread the tasty word about the Slice the Price card so you can get a free card too.
I'm back. Let's talk safety. Earlier today, I went around your school hanging up these posters. Check them out while you're walking through the halls. They have some very important safety tips on them, like 1, never go door to door. 2, always fundraise with an adult. 3, never go into a stranger's home. Remember these tips, they are super important and they will keep you safe. All right, guys, let's wrap this up with the best part of the fundraiser, the prizes! Woo! Yeah! Tell them how it's done, big boys.
This year, when you sell cards, you could get to choose exactly how you want to win. Maybe you'll be the hero who helps the planet, because for every card you sell, we'll plant trees. A few cards means a few trees. But if you keep going, you could plant hundreds of trees. Imagine that, a whole forest thanks to you. Or maybe you'll go for one of our brand new prizes. Picture it, you could be building in the Minecraft fort set, exploring whole new worlds with the MetaQuest 3S, zipping around in your own Segway S2, or playing anywhere, anytime on the Nintendo Switch 2. And if you don't like our prizes, that's okay, because we have a prize that everyone loves, cold, hard cash. You could win $150, $300, even $600. It's your fundraiser, your moment, trees, prizes, or cash money. You choose how you want to be rewarded for your hard work.
Teachers, you rule. Thank you so much for all your help. We couldn't do any of this without you. And remember, if 5 students participate, you're going to get your very own card for free.
All right, everyone, from Allie, the Pizza Professor, and me, Big Voice, thanks for getting involved Domino style. Now, let's get out there and start fundraising. This has been a production of WPZA, your Pizza Party Network. Pizza out!